Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a cute starfish. Let's start drawing. I draw a star shape quickly. Then I draw a very cute face like this. I draw eyes. And her eyebrows too. And a smiling mouth. Now let's decorate it like this. Now let's color this beautiful starfish. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, red, orange, yellow, green, pink. Starfish lives in ocean. Starfish loves to crawl on the sand and play with tiny fish. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.